Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna make an Egyptian meal called bakbaka. It's very delicious. I hope you like it. First we need 800 grams of spaghetti and crush it into small pieces about 2 or 3 centimeters. Need 2 onions and crush them in the blender. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pot with the crushed onion and stir it for 2 minutes. Cut about 500 grams of beef meat into medium pieces. Add the meat to the onion and stir well for 5 minutes. Then add 2 cups of tomato juice. And 2 cups of water. The spices are 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, and 1 tablespoon of peppermint, and 2 tablespoons of lentil. Add them to the mixture and wait till the meat is cooked. After half an hour, we add cup of water. Then we can add the crushed spaghetti and stir well for about 10 minutes at least. Stir and stir and stir. You can add 1 cup of boiled water if needed. Don't stop stirring till the spaghetti is cooked. Bon appetit, or in Egypt بالهنا والشفا.